So you might want to know how long it takes to do a spray polyurethane foam roof installation. Hello, I'm Jack Moore, President and CEO of West Roofing Systems. Today we're going to talk about how long it takes to install a foam roof. Well, there's many factors that contribute to the duration of the project, but as a good rule of thumb, we're going to complete 2,500 to 3,500 square feet of roofing per day per crew. That's based on an average 5 or 6 man crew with a typical roof application. Now there's many factors that can contribute to either increasing or decreasing the duration of the project, temperature being one. Very similarly to how anybody behaves in a cooler environment, you work pretty steadily without needing as many breaks as you would on a hot 90-degree high humidity day. When we approach those days, we're purposefully taking additional water breaks. We're even purposefully taking additional breaks in the afternoon to get the crews into the shade, get their body temperatures to cool back down. So we're really cautious. The duration of the project might increase in those types of environments. Another contributing factor to the duration is how thick are we installing the polyurethane foam. So most applications are 1.5 to 2 inches thickness. Now some applications where maybe it's new construction or insulation is a key factor, and we might be building those applications up 3, 4, 5 inches thick. That's going to increase the duration just because of this pure fact of how much material actually needs to be put on the roof on a day. There's only so much material can pump through the machines on an hourly basis. There's only so many things that can be installed within that hour controllably, so that'll increase duration as well. An additional contributing factor to the duration might be something as simple as the wind. In most roofer situations, contractors or the lay people are worried about or thinking about rain. There's wind in a fluid applied application that you need to be concerned with as well. So when wind speeds get above that 15 mile per hour wind speed, we got to be really cautious about overspray. So are we looking at a windy day where we've got to now employ wind screens or even a spray booth is what we call it, but basically we're building a tent on wheels on the roof that collects the overspray before it gets out into the public. So we're trying to avoid getting any overspray through environmental controls on the roof. We'll employ controls off the roof. We try to move cars as much as possible. Recently we finished a project that looked like it was being fumigated. We literally there was so much visqueen around the perimeter and hanging over the sides of the building to protect the building from overspray that you could hardly see the building from the protection. So when we have to put those engineering controls to protect from overspray, that increases the duration of the project as well. So the fastest job West Roofing has installed was in 1997. It was 1.3 million square feet. We put 37 guys on the roof. We had 6 spray foam proportioners, so 6 machines to install the polyurethane foam. It took 4 months to install 1.3 million square feet from beginning to end. So if you'd like some additional information on spray foam roofing, or if you'd like to get an estimate, jump on our website, westroofinsystems.com. You can hit the learning resource link that'll have all of our information about the system and about us, and there's plenty of call to actions to submit for a request for a quote.